Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about my understanding of linear velocity. So linear velocity is the rate of change in the position of an object while the object travels, and this can be linear or it can be straight. And two things that you need to know is the change in position, which is displacement, and then you also need to know the change in the time that it took. So here we will watch a video of a 100-meter race. Okay, so now how to find the average velocity from that is you will take the displacement over the change of time, so the change of displacement over the change of time. So in this scenario, it would be 100 meters since it was a 100-meter race, and then the fastest time was 9.79 seconds, so you'll do 100 divided by 100 meters divided by 9.79 seconds, which will give you an average velocity of 10.21 meters per second. Another thing you can look at is the world record, which was 9.58 seconds. So you would take 100 meters divided by 9.58 seconds, and you will divide that, and I'll give you 10.43 meters per second. Also, another thing to consider is that this equation does not give you peak velocity or the velocity of an individual during the race. So you can shorten the distance. So you can look at 60 meters to 80 meters, which would be a distance or a displacement of 20 meters, and that will help you find the peak velocity for an individual.